Does your doctor insist on you using an inhaler that you feel doesn't work? They gave you an inhaler for your respiratory illness, like asthma or COPD, just in case, and at the next appointment, they were surprised you use it daily. Do you even know the difference between a maintenance treatment and a rescue treatment? Don't worry. In What Did the Doctor Say? We explain everything. Let's go. Each disease has a different type of treatment. In respiratory diseases, like those affecting the lungs, it is common for the treatment to be inhaled. That means the medication comes inside small devices we call inhalers. There are thousands of different inhalers, and each one is used in its own way. Check exactly how yours works on our website. I'll leave the link in the video description. It's really important that you learn how to use your inhaler to ensure the medication reaches exactly where it needs to go, to the bottom of your lungs. The thing is, when we talk about asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, we are talking about chronic diseases, which means they do not get cured. Instead, you have them for life and just manage them so they do not become a nuisance. A well-treated chronic illness might seem like it doesn't exist, but you still have it, just well-controlled. Since the illness lasts a lifetime, so does the treatment. If you have asthma or COPD, you've probably noticed that at some point during the day, only some days, not all, you might experience more symptoms of the illness. A symptom is what you feel is caused by your illness. In the case of asthma and COPD, it's often shortness of breath or feeling suffocated. But it can also be many other things like coughing or hearing wheezing when breathing, etc. Because of these changes in your symptoms, two different types of treatments are needed. We'll explain them to you.
Base treatment.
It's the treatment you need to take every day because you have a chronic illness. You need to use these inhalers daily. Whether you feel bad or good, it doesn't depend on the symptoms you have that day. This medication helps you keep asthma or COPD controlled for tomorrow, the day after, and a month from now. If you stop taking it on a specific morning, chances are you won't notice anything that morning and might mistakenly think you don't need it and it's not working. But your condition would start worsening from that very moment. And who knows what could happen tomorrow, the day after, or in a month. If your doctor was surprised you're not using your inhaler daily, then the treatment you're discussing is your base treatment. If you have any questions, clarify them with your doctor. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up and support the channel. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss similar videos.